Remember everything we've learned so far? Today, we're putting it all together in one final project. A budget tracker that helps you add income, track expenses, and keep your wallet from crying. We'll build it step by step with plain JavaScript. Here's our basic setup. We'll have a form to add new entries, a section to show the total income, expenses, balance, and a place to list each transaction with a little icon or sign. Let's add the HTML first, keep it clean and semantic. Let's make this interactive. First, let's use an external JS file. Then we grab our form and listen for submissions. Every time someone adds a new transaction, we grab the description and amount, check if it's income or expense, push it to an array of transactions, and then re-render the whole list. Here's our transaction structure. We'll give each a unique ID so we can delete them later if needed. Now we create a render function that clears the list, loops over every transaction, and adds a styled item to the DOM, green for income, red for expense. And while we're looping, we also calculate the totals, total balance, total income, and total expenses. We'll update these numbers live as new transactions are added. Time to add filters. We'll make 3 buttons, all, income, and expense. When you click one, it shows only those transactions, but the totals stay correct based on what's visible. A simple filter before rendering does the trick. And what about validation? If someone tries to add a blank transaction or a zero amount, we stop them. A little if check does the job. You can also show a quick alert or highlight the inputs. Optional yes, satisfying always. That's it. Your first full JavaScript app. We've got forms, DOM manipulation, arrays and objects, functions and logic, filters, styling, totals, everything we've covered in this series. And now you've built something useful that you can actually show off. Here's a challenge. Add delete buttons next to each transaction and hook them up to remove it from the list. Add some cool styling. I left it pretty bare bones so that you can let your creativity flow. Post your version in the comments and show me how you customized it. Subscribe for more practical JS tutorials and I'll see you in the next dimension.